Hello friends, Alicia here. Today we are making my December cover page. This month I chose a cozy winter theme for my bullet journal. I'm starting with gathering all the supplies that I may use this month. I learned this trick by watching a video by Francesca from Pretty Llama Plans. This helped me a lot being more consistent with my themes. And for the first time ever I made printables. You can get them for free, just head to my Instagram page, Bridget's Journal, and look for this poster and follow the instruction. And this washi tape kit printable that I'm using in this footage is exclusively made for my subscribers, so read the post very well. I really hope you like it and I can't wait to see how you use it. So be sure to tag me on Instagram or send me a DM, even if it's not Bujo related. So I have to admit that I didn't really know what I wanted to do this month, but I was sure I wanted to include a snow globe. I included the whole process behind this cover page. The process consisted in many tries and failures, but I ended up doing this. The snow globe. I used to collect snow globes as a child, and I actually have a really funny and of course embarrassing story related to it, and if you want to hear it, I can tell it in my next video. Just let me know in the comments. Also, I'm so sorry that my hat keeps getting in the way. I was actually watching the latest season of The Crown on Netflix while doing this. That's why I kept getting distracted. After drawing this tractor of the snow globe, I simply stamped the letters of the month. Then I picked the little house from my printable journal kit and glued it in the middle of the snow globe. The house was actually inspired by a Christmas movie, so if you can name it, write it down below. I wasn't sure if I wanted to paint the base of the snow globe or not, but in the end I did it and I used the artisanal brush pens. And the result is okay, I like it. Now I'm making my quote page. I chose the quote, "Time to get cozy." I used Stabilo Pen 68 brush and those little stamps that I used before. Then I added some snowflakes and a piece of washi tape from my washi tape kit. Also I added some scrap paper, of course. I also added this little cookie heart that I hope you'll see really soon. And I added some shadows and highlight to the lettering. And this is the final result. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get a special printable washi tape kit made just for my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video.